This recipe is for a beautiful chicken korma. Ingredients: 500 grams of chicken, lamb or beef, 500 grams of alliums, onion, leeks or a mixture of both, 30 milliliters of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 kilogram of Mediterranean root leafy vegetables, 750 milliliters of curry-based sauce, 350 milliliters of white-based sauce, 175 grams of plain yogurt, lemon juice to taste. Cut the chicken, lamb or beef into bite-sized chunks and peel and roughly chop the alliums. Place a pan large enough to hold all the ingredients on a medium heat with the oil. Add the alliums, meat, curry powder and smoked paprika. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until the meat and alliums are golden and softened, stirring frequently. Meanwhile, roughly chop the vegetables, keeping any leafy greens to one side for later. Add the chopped vegetables, except the leafy greens, if using, to the pan and cook with the lid on for a few minutes, or until softened. Note the liquid level in the pan, then pour in the curry and white sauces and 750 milliliters of water. Bring to the boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 35 minutes. Check that the meat is cooked through and tender. If not, add a splash more water and continue cooking until soft. Add the reserved leafy vegetables. Bring back to the boil and cook until the curry has reduced. The liquid should return to the same level as in step 8. Stir in the yogurt until just warmed through. Season to taste with lemon juice, salt and black pepper.